mix everything together. You want it to be combined, but be careful not to overwork the meat, it'll keep your meatballs tender. Now it's time to shape the meatballs. Take about a tablespoon or so of the mixture and roll it between your hands to form a nice, round ball. Repeat this until all the meat mixture is used up. You should get about 20 meatballs. Heat a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, add the meatballs in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook the meatballs for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, turning them to ensure they're browned all over. You want that golden, crispy exterior. If you want your meatballs to cook all the way through without overcooking the outside, you can transfer them to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your meatballs are golden and cooked through, they're ready to serve. Whether you serve them with spaghetti, in a sub sandwich, or just with a side of marinara sauce, these meatballs are sure to be a hit. So juicy and flavorful. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. Enjoy cooking!